Welcome to Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, and here's a great RV from our giant selection of motorhomes, fifth wheels, and trailers. This beautiful fifth wheel comes equipped with water heater bypass, full walk-on roof, backup camera ready, quad step entry, stabilizer jacks, solar power prep, outside storage, outside shower, outside speakers, outside kitchen refrigerator, spare tire and carrier, LED exterior lighting, heated enclosed underbelly, outside kitchen portable gas grill, automatic levelers, roof ladder, outside kitchen sink, quad slides, LED interior lighting, AM, FM, CD, DVD, Bluetooth stereo system, vanity with sink, smoke detector, satellite prep, trifold sofa sleeper, end tables on either side of the sofa, loft and living area, stainless steel kitchen appliances, big corner shower, residential grade carpeting. Bayou Outdoor wants to get you ready for outdoor fun with the boat or RV of your dreams. We carry over 200 new and used motorhomes, fifth wheels, travel trailers, toy haulers, folding campers from some of the most popular brands. Stop by today or visit us online at BayouOutdoor.com. Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, providing savings, selection, and service for over 40 years. Welcome to the family.